After nearly a decade of drought, winter rains are a welcome sight in the community. Up at Lake Cachuma, however, these rains also bring new challenges in how the district treats and delivers water to your tap. During the drought, a significant amount of vegetation grew in the exposed lake bed. These plants and trees have now been submerged by winter storms. Recent wildfires in the watershed now mean that, when it rains, ash, burned trees, and soil wash into the lake. All of this organic matter eventually decomposes in the lake and degrades water quality. Once this organic material settles on the lake bottom, it provides nutrients to fuel algae growth during the warmer periods of the year, which further impacts water quality. All of this means that the water we get from Lake Cachuma requires significantly more treatment than normal, and at considerably higher cost. The cumulative effects of this material as it continues to wash into the lake over the next few years means we are likely to face water quality challenges for years to come. Since water from the State Water Project travels through Lake Cachuma to the south coast, it too is vulnerable to changing lake conditions. The historic drought and rash of fires have brought a new chapter to how the district will operate and deliver water to the Goleta Valley. Permanent changes to how we treat, move, and deliver water will be necessary to ensure the community can continue to rely on surface water from Lake Cachuma. And that's why we are already focusing significant attention and investment toward guaranteeing the long-term sustainability of our water supply portfolio.